guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this custom green screen video on CapCut PC. So select your video, and you don't need a green screen for this, just make sure it's in the main timeline. Go to cutout and you're going to select auto cutout or customize cutout, which one works the best for you. And then you're going to go back to basic and you're going to go to canvas, which is down here, and you're going to select the color one, and here's where you can choose the color. You can choose the green from here. I like to just select the color wheel instead and select this green screen because it's the brightest one. And yeah, that's it. You don't need to download any green screens. You can if you want to, but I just prefer it this way because it's easier. If you want to add a green screen, just move it on the second timeline and then add in like a green screen of your choice. That's it. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye!